If I had to choose one food to eat for the rest of my life, it would be a potato. There is so many ways to enjoy potatoes, and I love making home fries for my family. So what I do is add some avocado oil with frozen hash brown potatoes. You could use shredded or diced. I like to use diced, but both work well. And then I'm going to go in with my seasoning, which is a blend of granulated onion, some paprika, a little bit of oregano, and then I also add salt and pepper, which some reason I did not film that, but I do use it. And you want to use that to taste, salt and pepper. I do actually add more salt at the end. And then also you may need a little bit more than 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So what I do is I start with 2 tablespoons and then I add another tablespoon or so I can really get them nice and crispy towards the end because we're cooking them internally and then also on the outside. My son doesn't like any spice, but you can also add some cayenne powder. And then we're also making some eggs. I love cooking eggs with a cast iron skillet. I don't know why. For years, I just thought they weren't like nonstick like this. And I am so glad that I invested in them. I've been using them for about 10 years now, and they are the best. So I am going to serve this to my family. They're going to love this breakfast. I think you guys will really enjoy it too. When I first made this for my husband, he was kind of shocked. He's like, "Ooh, where'd you get these potatoes?" He had no clue that I actually seasoned them to myself. And like I said, I do like to add the salt at the end, a little bit more to taste. I hope you guys enjoy and have a great week.